on the most extravagant by design Carnival. The Carnival limousine model. It is the top model of the variants. Carnival is the one of the most extravagant and fabulous car, which is MPV in luxury. It's a statement style in itself. The car I am driving, that is luxury MPV Carnival limousine, is one of the top models, and it comes only with the 7-seater variant. Carnivals also comes with spattering steel wheels, which is not available in any car right now in India. So Carnival also comes with a very special feature which is not available in any other cars, that is the electronic sparking and auto hill assist. The Carnival also comes with the GPS UVO connections, and this car comes with a very special thing, that is the 3-zone climate control. If you are driving as a driver, you will have a different climate. As a co-passenger, you will have a different climate, and the rear seat, you will have a complete different climate. You can control, adjust it accordingly. So this is the 3 different climate zone in this car, and this car also comes with 2 complete rear sunroofs. So that will make the car feel so airy and so light. You can feel the rain, you can feel the snow while driving the car in the roads. So that is the beauty of the car Carnival. And the Carnival comes with the eco mode. It also having the parking, electronic parking. It also has the auto hold while driving in the slanting mode. It also have a wireless charger, and the most beautiful part is it comes with this air purifier. If I press the button of the car, it opens. So you can see the bottle holder over here and the manual adjustment with the co-driver, co-passenger seat. And here comes one-touch sliding door, which is first in the segment in this MPV. This is a new redefined statement of luxury. In the luxury segment, it was always been focused on the driver part, but this car completely focused on a person's family. It's more of a chauffeur-driven car, and you and your family is sitting in the back and enjoying the panoramic view on the dual sunroof mode. And in front of you there is rear infotainment system, which is completely separate from each other. You can have complete separate movie, you can respond to emails through this rear infotainment systems. And in the back you will get, let me sit and show you the luxury in a extravagant way. And this is my leg space with this co-passenger seat completely backward. And here comes my luxury statement. This is my thigh support on the drive. So while driving on a long road, as a family member, you can actually recline completely and feel like a king going on a long drive. So I was talking about the most interesting and the most luxurious part of this car, the rear passenger seats. See, this is the definition of a seat. This is a captain seat. You have leg rest or thigh support. You can just stretch it till the base of the car, and you then have this to and fro position. You can to and fro the car, to and fro the seat accordingly. The most interesting part of this seat is you can slide the seat to different angles. Like you can slide the seat actually. So this gives a very efficient part, very efficient engineering part of this is when you are entering in the third row of the car, what you can do, you can slide the seats that will make a space for you. You can put the seat in the forward, then bring down this seat, and you have a complete natural entrance for the third row passenger. That's the beauty of the car. This door is completely adjustable according to your height. If you want to stop it somewhere, it will remember it, and next time when you reopen it, it will stop over there only. So this is the beauty of this car. And here comes the boot space. The boot space is 540 liters, massive boot space. You can have 4 big luggage bags over here. And now if you think you are going with a golf kit, so here comes the golf kit space. This is so customer friendly. You just need 2-3 steps to get the car completely, give you a complete space. Now this car is having a boot space of 1624 liters. This is massive. This is you can have 2-3 golf kits over here, and you can have a small cycle inside this car. When you are going with a family, you can have everything, all your bags, luggages in this car, and can move forward luxuriously in a kingly manner with your family. See this bold character lines and the body of the car. It's 5115 meters long, and you will have projector headlamps over here. And most importantly, this is the Kia Tiger nose grille with chrome finish. Is the style statement of the car itself. And you will have the ice cube fog lamps and the front parking sensors in this car. So this gives a complete robust look to this Carnival. So Kia Carnival comes with a 2.2 liter engine with 8 Sportmatic transmissions. So this is an automatic transmission car, and this gives a very soothing look inside the car. You can see the compact part of the car and see the padding of this car, and this is the actual reason for giving a complete NVH, zero NVH inside the car. Hi guys, if you like my presentation, please subscribe to Lifestyle and Creation. Please make the bell icon and please continue your support to us. Hope in the near future we will come up with new cars and new presentations that will make you help to choose or buy the car in a different angle of your lifestyle. Thank you. Wish you a very good life in the coming future.